Hey, here you have it. We were showing you that motor getting built, got custom painted, got completely assembled. We got the Holly Sniper on here, that's funny. Holly Sniper on here. We got this beautiful Concept 1 Serpentine kit on here. We just got done making a few passes. You see the Dyno pole runs fantastic. Made 590 horsepower and about 570 foot-pounds of torque. That's one hell of a motor. So again, this is a all aluminum 427. Hey, interested in one of them? Give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Thank you.